What's up? What's up?
Yeah, you know where Rika supermarket there? I don't know, I don't remember which part it is still, you know.
Oh yeah, man. That easy for find, man. That easy for find. You just have to you have to go down the street, and after you go down the street, you gotta see two yellow pole. After you see two yellow pole, you gotta take a right. Then you gotta see one look at something at the street, and you turn around and come back up. Then you have to go bus one left, go down the street again, and then you gotta go up, and then you gotta see two stoplight, and then you gotta take one next right, and then after you take the next right now, I will go back around and then you have to bust this left here, and then you have to go down back. Got it?
Bruh. Mommy, oh yeah, what kind of direction that? I don't understand. No, what you just saying now? No, what you say, you have to go say it again, man. I don't understand that.
You say we can't bother, you know. You know, listen to your problem, you know. You know, listen. That's your problem. What do you mean you don't understand what I'm saying? When you turn out of this driveway, take one right, then you gotta take a left. Then you see two yellow pole, and then you gotta take a right. Then when you take a right, you gotta see something on the street, and you turn around, and then you go back up the street, and then you take a left. Then you gotta go up, and then when you go up, you gotta see a stoplight, take a right. And when you take a right, you gotta see one bush. When you see a bush, you take one left. Alright? That's it. Easy 1, 2.
No, some. Jeez, mommy. My brain hurt me. I don't understand. None of that the direction there, no. None of that the direction I don't understand. Me lost. Me literally lost.
Yo. Amy. You know something I look at them. Yo, don't come back and ask me for no direction. Cause you're not listening, That's your problem, you're not listening. Don't ask me for no direction again, nowhere. Alright?
Well, I get mad at me. Your direction no good, man. It's not good. Direction not good. No, I'm not gonna use GPS. Your direction not good.
Oh yeah, doctor. Yo, cut your attitude. My direction makes sense. From a lick off your face.
Alright, mommy. Calm and peace. Peace and calm. Alright? Peace and calm. Thanks for trying to explain the direction.